Here at Burton's Academy, we have been asked numerous occasions about Stripe, how to connect it to Xero, and do I have to pay a fee for this service? So, what we'll do is we'll start with the bank feeds. We'll go on to accounting and bank accounts. And just like you would do any other bank account, we want to click Add Bank Account. And then we want to look for Stripe. And I know that mine is Stripe rather than corporate card, so I'm going to click on that one. I'm already signed into Stripe, and so this is going to be a little bit easier for me, but I can click Sign into Stripe and connect. And then what it will do, so sometimes Xero will then create a second account for you, and mine are a bit complicated because they're both created today's date. However, if previously your very top one was created a couple of months ago, years ago maybe, and this is the account that you typically have your transactions coming in and out of, this is the account you want to choose. If Xero has created an account today, and this is therefore brand new, is blank, nothing has been in it, nothing's been out of it, then you can ignore that for now. And what we'll do is I'll show you how to remove that account from your Stripe account, because you just don't need that account. Xero's accidentally created it because it didn't realize you already had one. So then we choose the one we want, and therefore I'm choosing the oldest one, which is the top, and then click connect. And then I click finish. And there you have it. That is your Stripe account connected to your Xero.